Hi friends, I want to show you these safe bags. As you can see, the bags came in two different sizes, and these bags are incredible because are waterproof and fireproof, so you can use it to put on it your important documents or your jewelry, or I'm gonna put my iWatch inside. The bag have a zipper and security safe. We're gonna put a fire on it. You can use it in your home or in your work to put inside 10 important things that you need to put in safe. As you can see, the fire damage the bag. The bag is not on fire. The bag is fireproof and perfect to keep it safe, your things. And we have water here, and we're gonna put the bag inside the water. Now we're gonna open it, and as you can see, my things are perfectly safe. So I recommended these safe bags if you need to keep safe your things. It is a very useful product. See you.